Hi, this is Roger. We are now 10,000 of followers. And I thank you for that. And I'm very happy. I know you've been waiting for the Top Gun 2 mission. But I have to push that one a bit later on this year. I have to make it as good as it deserves to be. So, what's up with the next episode? Well, it's all about short takeoff and landing with my favorite Viggen. Enjoy! Alright, so we're in the AJS 37 Viggen. I'm just telling my technician on the outside to turn on the ground power. And when we have ground power, I turn on the main power switch. And I'm turning on the fuel and the generator. And I'm doing some startup checks. And short after that, I'm starting the engine. And you can see that the safety for ejection seat were turned to unsafe. I'm now checking some systems. And the warning panel comes up, and the way it's blinking, it has to stop blinking, and that's when everything is all right. Okay, so I'm putting in the memory stick and turning some cipher combination to set the landing waypoint. It's called B1, and now I'm on the LS, the starting runway. So I'm turning on the radar, and it will soon appear on the middle screen, the one that looks like a compass. I'm turning the throttles stick to from ground idle to one step forward, so the high pressure fuel valve opens. And now I'm looking at RPM, that it's been up, and I'm looking that the nozzle opens and that the temperature gauge not exceed over 340 degrees Celsius. And you saw that the canopy closed. I'm turning on another radar mode. I'm turning on the external lights, and that's landing lights and taxi lights. The engine is running. I have full power. Doing some final adjustments. Checking that the waypoint is in. Doing the steps from the check up, from the startup procedure list. And I'm telling the technician to turn off the ground power. I'm soon ready to taxi. Well, the first time I did it, this checklist startup procedure, it took about 20 minutes. But now everything, when I have done it sometimes, I do it in like 3 minutes. Testing the throttle. Well, I'm beginning to taxi. Doing a turn there. And actually I don't use the wheel brakes here. I'm using the thrust reverser. And in the back you can see some hatches going to close and open. That's the thrust reverser. And you get a smooth braking. Doing a slightly right turn here. Soon I'll be off the taxi and out on the main runway. I want to use the full runway this time because I'm not going to use the Afterburner. So I rather get a short takeoff even without the Afterburner. And you can see on the nose wings on the Viggen, the flaps are down. And when the landing gear retracts, the flaps also retracts. Now we're gaining speed. I'm very gentle with the control stick here, so you will see me right slightly in the air when I retract the landing gear. It's also almost too close, but I manage it. See, oh, there we are. Landing gear up. Doing a little roll and aiming for the landing site. You're seeing the vortices on the leading edge of the wing. I'm kind of low flying here. You see the coastline to the right. It's a fine day to fly. The landing runway is only about some kilometers away, and it is a short runway. It's about just 500-600 meters, but with Viggen's thrust reverser and brakes, I'm going to make it a short landing. I'm using the Viggen's AFK, automatic speed control. And Viggen had also where you could adjust the angle of attack to about 15 degrees. So when you extend the landing gear, the flaps is going down. I have this angle of attack about 15 degrees and the automatic throttle. So it is in its mode for making the most shortest landing it could ever do. So the landing speed will be about 300 kilometers per hour. I'm extending the landing gear now. I'm closing to the landing site. And here you see the coastline. Amazing pictures. I'm starting to do the turn now. You maybe saw the landing site there. It's like X. And I'm aiming for one of those X's runways. Runway. The AFK, automatic speed control, is working. And the mode with the 15 degrees angle of attack. You will soon see the planes in its angle of attack. Soon we'll touch down. Touchdown. The nose wheel coming down, and we are doing some thrust reversal and braking. And there you have it. A very short landing. And now I'm going to taxi and turn around. Doing the turn right now. I want to use the whole runway, so now you will see the Viggen going backwards. I'm using the thrust reversal to get into a start position. I'm backing the plane, doing it reverse. This is kind of odd to see a plane that's going backwards. Now you will see it. Well, the plane is back. So getting into a better position to use the whole runway. This is a short runway. So this is a short takeoff. And this time I'm using the stage number 3 Afterburner. But I want to get back a little bit more. Here we go. Stage 3 Afterburner. And we are in the air. Little turn. And here you will see a flyby to end this episode. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumb up and write in the comments. And the next episode will be the F-18. Do you think it could fly with its wings folded? Well, you will see in the next episode. Have a great time. We'll see you. Bye.